guys.
Hi Bay Farm, it's Kate, Hank, and Lily, and today we wanted to show you a fun science experiment called the Runaway Pepper. So what we're gonna do first, the kids have blue water. Can you guys pour it into your bowls? Pour it in, Lil, into the bowl. Nice, okay, and then the next step, we're gonna take our pepper shaker. Hanky, go ahead and you have to twist it, okay? Into the bowl. Can you do it into the bowl? There you go. So you're gonna get some pepper into your water and just fill it up really, really good. So the reason for—
I'm not there anymore.
Just keep twisting. You're doing great. Look how full it is.
No, I'm not seeing any more coming out.
You're good. Keep twisting. It's coming out. It just comes out slow. Sorry, a pepper shaker would do a lot better, but you work with what you have. There you go. And so he's filling up. The reason for the blue water is so you can really see the pepper well. Okay, Lily's turn. And now Lily, can you shake some pepper in?
Twist it.
Yep, you can twist it.
Why does it come out, Mom?
Okay, ready? We're gonna shake, 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 shake. Get your pepper in there.
Huh. And we be all out that.
Yeah, we still got enough pepper to get by.
I did it.
You did it. So now on this plate here is just some dish soap. Hank, I want you to take your finger and touch the dish soap. Can you touch the dish soap? Okay, and then put your finger in the center of your bowl. And see, the pepper all ran to the sides. So the dish soap made the pepper go away. Ready? Lily, watch. And see, it disappears to the sides. So this is actually kind of a complicated concept for toddlers. It has to do with the surface tension changing, but more or less what you would focus on is cause and effect. That once the soap comes in, the surface tension changes and the peppers all disappear to the sides. They no longer float. A fun way for the kids to watch the pepper disappear, talk about some scientific observations, and get your hands on some soap. Hope they have fun with it. Have a great day, guys. Bye.